Did you know that you can dramatically improve blood flow and circulation in your legs without having to walk 4 miles or do strenuous workouts? If you're over 60 and struggling with swelling, tiredness, or heaviness in your legs, you're not alone, and you don't have to accept it as just another part of aging. Today, I'm going to show you 4 simple, science-backed exercises that seniors can do right at home, many of them from a chair, to boost circulation, reduce swelling, and help you feel lighter and more energetic every day. I'm Will Harlow, the over 50s specialist physio at HT Physio in Fulham, and I've seen firsthand how these easy movements can transform mobility and quality of life for people who thought they'd never get relief. Poor blood flow is a common problem for seniors, and it's not just uncomfortable, it can be dangerous. Limited circulation can lead to swelling in the lower legs, which not only makes walking harder, but also increases the risk of serious conditions like deep vein thrombosis, DVT, a blood clot that can travel to the lungs, heart, or brain and cause life-threatening complications. That's why improving blood flow isn't just about comfort, it's about protecting your health and independence. The good news is, you don't need to be able to walk long distances to get your blood moving. In fact, many of my patients can't walk far due to arthritis, injury, or poor circulation, but they still see amazing results with these targeted exercises. The secret is something called the muscle pump. As blood flows down to your toes, it has to fight gravity to get back up to your heart. Your veins don't have a pump like your arteries do, but your muscles can do the job. Every time you contract your leg muscles, you're literally squeezing blood back up towards your heart. That's why these 4 exercises are so effective, and why you can do them even if you're housebound or can't stand for long. Let's start with the first exercise, ankle pumps. This one is perfect for anyone who spends a lot of time sitting. All you need is a sturdy chair or sofa and something to rest your leg on, like another chair or a footstool with a couple of pillows. Prop your leg up so your foot is higher than your hip. This position helps gravity drain fluid from your lower leg. Then, simply point your toes down and pull them back up towards you, pumping your ankle briskly for a couple of minutes. You'll feel your calf muscle working, and that's exactly what you want, the muscle pump in action. This exercise is safe for most people, but if you have sciatica, avoid this position. Always check with your doctor before starting new exercises, especially if you have medical conditions. Try to do ankle pumps several times a day whenever you're sitting for long periods, and you'll be amazed at how much lighter your legs feel. The second exercise is the seated calf raise. Sit on a sturdy chair with your feet flat on the floor, knees and hips at 90 degrees. Simply lift your heels off the ground, rising onto your toes, then slowly lower them back down. This works the soleus muscle in your lower calf, which is crucial for pumping blood back up your legs. To make it more challenging, lean forward and rest your forearms on your thighs, pressing down gently to add extra resistance. Repeat this movement 15 to 20 times, feeling the muscles work. If you start to feel a pleasant tiredness in your calves, you're doing it right. This exercise is great for anyone who can't walk much, but still wants to keep their circulation strong. Do it a few times a day, especially if you're sitting for long stretches. Next up is the standing calf raise, which targets the upper part of your calf and is fantastic for improving blood flow and leg strength. Stand behind a chair, countertop for balance, feet hip width apart. Rise up onto your tiptoes, then slowly lower back down. Try to do this movement briskly, up with 2, down with 2. If you can do 20 repetitions easily, try doing it on one leg at a time for an extra challenge. This exercise is perfect for those who are still able to stand and walk around the house. Every time you go to the kitchen or bathroom, do a quick set of calf raises, and you'll notice less swelling and more energy in your legs over time. The fourth and final exercise is the squat, the king of lower limb movements. Squats work almost every muscle in your legs, from your calves to your thighs to your glutes, and they're excellent for both strength and circulation. Don't worry, you don't have to go all the way down to the floor. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart, hold on to something sturdy for support, and sit your hips back, If you're about to sit in a chair, bend your knees and lower yourself just a few inches, then stand back up. The key is to use both your hips and knees, not just one or the other. Even a shallow squat is beneficial, and if you can go deeper without pain, that's great. Aim for 10 to 15 repetitions, a few times a day. If you're housebound, these squats will keep your muscles pumping and your blood flowing, helping to reduce swelling and keep your legs strong. All 4 of these exercises can be done at home without any special equipment, and they're safe for most seniors, the best part. You don't need to walk miles or spend hours exercising. Just a few minutes, a few times a day, can make a huge difference. If you're consistent, you'll notice less swelling, more energy, and better mobility in your legs. Remember, always listen to your body and check with your doctor if you're unsure about any movement. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel for more senior health tips, and share this video with someone who could benefit from better circulation. And if you want even more advice on staying active and healthy after 50, check out my book Thriving Beyond 50 on Amazon. The link is below. Thank you for watching, stay strong, keep moving, and I'll see you in the next video.